Dear distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, fellow enthusiasts of neuroscience, it is with great pleasure and honor that I stand before you today and welcome you to the 10th Slovenian Neuroscience Conference. It's a round number, and actually this year we also celebrate the 20th anniversary of our society. So this occasion serves as a testament to our collective passion and dedication towards unraveling the mysteries of the human brain and the nervous system. I extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you who has traveled to be here. Bring with you a wealth of knowledge, experience, and an insatiable curiosity for understanding the intricate workings of the brain. Over the next 3 days, we will be privy to groundbreaking research, insightful discussions, and the exchange of ideas that we hope will push the boundaries of our understanding. With this conference, we will also have a neuroscience and society section that will have also participation of general public, and it will be on the topic of neurological, psychological, and cognitive effects of COVID-19. So data is starting to trickle in, and there are some effects of the pandemic. There will also be a regional symposium on the theme of amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. So that is the disease of the motor neurons, as well as a workshop on the pain mechanisms, networks, and therapies. Our lineup of speakers hailing from diverse fields will share their insights, shedding light on the latest discoveries and advancement in basic and clinical neuroscience research. Their expertise will undoubtedly inspire and challenge us to think beyond the conventional, urging us to explore new avenues and perspectives. We therefore hope this conference will not just be a platform for dissemination of knowledge, but also an opportunity for networking and forging meaningful connections. I encourage you all to engage in discussions, share your experiences, and foster collaborations that have potential to shape the future of neuroscience and make some new friends along the way. I express my deepest gratitude to the organizers, sponsors, volunteers, and each and every one of you who are contributing to our conference. Enjoy the conference, enjoy Ljubljana, and as Slovenia is on the southern Alps, enjoy the sunny side of the Alps. Thank you again, and now I invite one of the heads of the organizing committee, Blaž, to also give a few words. Thank you.
Thank you. So a few practicalities from me with a few slides. Does this work, or we'll just try to advance the slides. This there. How much to? Okay, perfect. So probably you didn't hear Boris saying one of the heads of the organizing committee. This sounds a bit strange, but that's how we do things in Slovenia. Triglav has 3 heads. So that's how we organize things. My role as one of the 3 heads was like climbing Mount Triglav. Matjaž and Masha did most of the climb, so I just joined here at the very top, just doing the last few steps and setting the flag on top of Triglav. So I'll be the one responsible for everything that will go wrong during this conference. This is a rather informal, despite my tie, should be a rather informal meeting, so you're almost welcome to ask. You have the right to ask anything. We can discuss things, are encouraged to discuss things with your colleagues, to express your opinions. But keep in mind where we have this conference. So we are at the Faculty of Law, so it's actually different laws and rules for this conference. I'm sure you'll find your way around the place. There are 3 lecture halls. This one is hall 1, the red one, and 2 others are downstairs. So, as Boris said, this is an event that has basically three different program sessions or groups. The main conference, which has this parallel symposia, so we will all start here with plenary lectures, and all the plenary talks will be in this hall together for everyone, and then you can decide which symposia you want to hear. Tomorrow and on Saturday we will also have the ALS symposium. It's rather complicated, but we also organize the Ljubljana Clinical Neurophysiology Conference, which is an annual meeting, and this time it's again together with Synapsa, but you are free to join us wherever you want. You'll find it in your program booklet. Also the 2 memorial talks, so tomorrow memorial lecture on chronic pain, and tomorrow morning on ALS. Today we have this event which will take place in Slovenian language, so if you're fluent in Slovenian, please join us, otherwise maybe you might spend some time somewhere else. The educational workshop on pain is included in the registration fee too, so you can also decide to listen to the educational workshop. Please visit the poster sessions. The official sessions will go on during the break, just after lunch on both days, but you're also welcome to visit the posters during coffee breaks, which will be outside, downstairs and upstairs. There will be lunch provided, lunch boxes. And I also invite you to join us for the satellite symposia. These are from pharma symposia that are open to everyone. Officially, there's no food allowed in the lecture halls, but unofficially you can bring your lunchbox and join us at the symposia. Okay? I think that's about it regarding the program. So we have actually more than 220 registered participants, plenty of space even for 1,000 if by any chance people will join us tomorrow, but we have a nice group of people coming from 22 different countries, everything from Australia to Canada, USA, and plenty of European countries, and also Asia. So welcome. Many of you are here in Ljubljana for the first time. Enjoy your visit. There is a book of abstracts. So there is a printed booklet with program in your conference bags, but we have also published book of abstracts, which is now available online. You can find it. There's a link on the website, but if you use this QR code, you can download it directly, which has the abstracts for all the talks. Next thing, I strongly encourage you not to leave the place. We might even lock the doors because the weather is so nice that once you'll go out, you will never want to return back. So please do not leave the place, only after the end of the sessions, but it seems that the weather will be beautiful. And we are just behind this hill on the other side. This is where we'll meet for dinner tomorrow evening. The dinner starts at 8:30. And if you have your Congress badges, if you walk to the funicular station just below the castle hill, you'll get the ticket to use the funicular. But if you wish to walk up, it's a 10-minute walk uphill and also going back. If you decide to leave at 11, you can catch the last funicular. Otherwise, you might have another glass of wine and walk down the paths like this. We try to be to do a live conference, and we are very happy that this year is going back live again, but we have these nasty habits of also doing some Zoom links and Zoom events, and we are streaming most of the sessions. Again, this is a list of different links to join us remotely if you by any chance go out, have a coffee and just join us remotely. So it's all on our website. And you can also, of course, choose to join us online. At the end, I would like to thank all the supporters. It was quite a big thing to organize everything. So first of all, International Brain Research Organization, supporting the workshop and the main conference, International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology, supporting travel grants, organizing talk today afternoon, and then many sponsors, which please you can visit their stores outside. I would like to thank them, and I would also like to thank the program committee and the organizing committee and our PCO, Canka Riodon, who is taking care of all the details, millions of details. And also the organizing committee is a great bunch of people who did many things, and I can just show you why I think they're doing a good job, because when I ask something like, is there maybe a possibility to do this and that, I get a reply, well, this is probably a rhetorical question, all sorted. So thank you guys. Yeah. And enjoy the conference. The first talk will be online. We'll have a few people who were unable to join us, so this will be an online meeting, and I guess the presenter is already available, so Matej will introduce her and enjoy the meeting. Thank you.